throw that back. There we go. I found it. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's Crystal Kelly. It's me. I feel like I say this in every video, but I'm really loving this hair. I'm really loving it. You guys already know what we're gonna be talking about. This is hair. Yeah, we're talking about this today. Okay. You guys know I'm going to be answering a couple of questions you guys might have about this unit I'm wearing right now. Leave a comment below, or you can contact me through my other social media platforms. My Instagram is crystalkelly_ and my Snapchat is csdkaa. So I'm gonna leave the link below. Let's get into these questions you guys might have about this unit. Before I get into these questions you guys might have about this hair, I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing because I feel like I never do that at all. So the name of this wig is Crush in the color S1B30. Right here I'm just showing the product features. It's just showing the front, side, back, and hairline, the construction of the wig. And this is a 13x6 and no plucking required. I'm looking super tired and angry right here, but you know, that's life. But right here I'm just showing you that it comes with these two cards, and it basically explains exactly what I just said a second ago. The color of the hair and the name of the hair. So my first impression of this hair, I really do like the little highlights. I don't know if you can see through the net, but it has little blonde or brown highlights. I'm going to take this out and take the net off so you can have a better look at it. And I'm going to struggle at the same time too. I really did love the waves, the way the curls are, and the way they place the color in the wig. It was really cute to me. I'm gonna show you the inside of the wig so you guys have a better look of the construction of the wig, because it does have two clips on the side and it has a clip on the back, and then it has a band so you can tighten your wig. So I think it's like a wig band. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. And this is the baby hairs. No plucking required is what it said in the box, and as far as I can see, it's telling the truth. Okay, so like the clip I just showed you guys, so the hair, it came in this package right here. This is called the Perfect Hairline Fully Hand Tied 13x6 inch lace wig, and her name is Crush. and it's in the color S1B/30. So I'm assuming that's a little blonde, I mean brown, little brown. You see stuff going on. So that's the hair color. Usually I get all black, but I could not find this in black for dear life. So I decided to just, you know, get what I can. A lot of black and some brown, and I'm good. So on this box, I explained, but you can do half up, half down, center, middle part, a right part, and a top knot. So you have the flexibility to part basically anywhere. The hair is obviously out the box, so we're good with that. This is the cards that it came with. I also showed in the last clip. You know what's funny? As soon as I looked at this card, I realized it doesn't even have the price on it or how much I paid. And I got this stuff a long time ago, so I do not remember how much it costs. Of course, I'm about to go through this routine again and I gotta search it up, so give me a second. Crush. Perfect Hairline. Okay, so yeah, this hair was about $52.99, but you could probably find it for $41.99, but I'm pretty sure I got it for like 52 bucks. I remember it was like 50 something bucks. So, and how I feel about it so far, I definitely do like it, and I'm not saying that because I like it. As you guys seen on one of my first hair reviews, I forgot on which wig it was, but that wig was, this one I definitely do like, truly do. What it says on the back is it's fully hand tied, 13 by 6 inch frontal, no plucking required. It did come with baby hairs, by the way. I just don't like baby hairs whatsoever. 6 inch deep part, and you know, I parted this myself and I did pluck a little bit and added some foundation or some powder up in there. Soft Swiss lace, adjustable wide elastic band, heat styling friendly. So just to let you guys know about the hair before you guys do purchase it. It's funny because I didn't put my baby hairs down, so I have all these flyaways. I should have used the free spray on it, but I'm just showing you guys like first impression, first applying what it looks like. Is this hair tangle free? Let's see. And I'm also gonna check about the shedding right now. I did not brush this hair at all, but I'm gonna check right now how much tangling or shedding I get. So, ooh, got a nice tangle right there. But yeah, it's a nice bit of shedding. I did shed a little bit more than the other wig, but it's still a purchase I would continue to make. This wig was so easy to apply to my head, so I'm willing to make that purchase again. Like what I did to the lace, I basically plucked in the part right here, added some foundation, got to be glued the edges down, and this is what we get. So this is basically, if you're like a beginner, you can definitely apply this. It's not hard, just glue it down. Quality of this hair, this is super light. This hair is super light, it's super easy. I'm okay with the tangling. I'm definitely okay with the tangling. Like, this is not that much tangling. Like, I can definitely deal with it. It's a synthetic unit, so you know it's gonna do some crazy stuff and you kind of have to work with it, but this wig is definitely good. It's pretty good. And let me show you the length on this. Yeah, it goes that far. Really gorgeous unit. I did read on here that it says heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but like I said in my previous videos, that I will not be straightening or doing anything like that to these wigs, probably until they get disgusting. Then I'll probably might straighten it, because you know how much worse can it possibly get. So there's really nothing much to say about this wig. It's just basically up to you guys if you guys would like to purchase it. I will definitely be thinking about purchasing this in different colors. I definitely do. My favorite part is about this little highlight going on. It's like a little brown streak. But I would definitely think about purchasing this wig again. So, as I say in my other videos, you better get you one. Oh snap. Get you one. Whoa, I just gotta, yeah, it's a lot of shedding though. Let me know if you guys have any further questions about this unit. And if you guys are wondering, my top is definitely from Fashion Nova. And so is my bottoms. And they got the little ribbity sides. Let me know if you guys have any video ideas you guys would like me to do. I am almost open to do anything, but not everything. So I'll have to agree on that. And I guess I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.